Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking back at our calendar series. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do one video at a time and we build upon it. Micro videos, as it has been called by the wonderful subscribers to this channel. Alright, so let's just go ahead and look at it. Calendar. We're looking at the calendar.calendar method. And we know it's a method because Python tells us so. So, alright. Format year takes the year. Let's just returns year's calendar as multi-line string. Let's see what that does. Calendar. And give it 2019. Well, that's a little ugly. Wait a second. Multi-line string. Oh, wait a second. I just need to put this in a print statement. Calendar. Don't know why. I hate typing calendar because I don't spell very well. And especially when I don't give haha. Here we are. The entire year's calendar set nice and pretty. So there we go. And also you could go back and change the day of the week where it starts, because you know how to do that with calendar. Set first day, so you know all how to do that. So real quick video today. I cannot believe I was clicking through all the methods that we had left, and I cannot believe that I did not do this one before. But there we are. Very nice, very pretty, very clean, and simple. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.